Hey everyone, welcome back to Excel Geeks. In today's video, we're going to learn how to hide unused cells, rows and columns in Excel. This is a great way to keep your spreadsheet clean and organized, especially when you're presenting data to others. Alright, let's jump into Excel. Here we have a typical worksheet with some data in the first few rows and columns, but a lot of unused space beyond that. To make this sheet look more professional, we'll hide the unused rows and columns. Let's hide the unused columns. Find the last column with data. Here is column H. Click on the column letter right next to the last used column to select it. Now press CTRL+SHIFT+RIGHT arrow to select all columns from here to the end of the worksheet. With all the unused columns selected, right click on any of the selected column letters and choose Hide. And there you have it. All unused columns are now hidden. First, let's hide the unused rows. Find the last row that contains data. In this example, it's row 14. Click on the row number right below the last used row to select it. Now press CTRL+SHIFT+DOWN arrow to select all rows from here to the bottom of the worksheet. With all the unused rows selected, right click on any of the selected row numbers and choose Hide. Voila, all unused rows are now hidden. To recap, we learned how to hide unused rows and columns to make our Excel sheets look cleaner and more professional. This is especially useful for presentations and reports. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Excel Geeks for more Excel tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.